gonna do it. Hey guys, it's me, Mila. Today we're opening Head Rush. And
Close up, move, Mikey. Close up.
yes,
And we're
but
this is gonna be hard This is gonna be harder than we thought. So
yeah. So we need some strong gum.
no, no gum, only for me.
Yeah, let's unbox this baby. Need scissors.
I can say it away.
Got safety scissors.
We don't need scissors. How are we gonna open scissors?
Like this.
Me too. You shouldn't be holding scissors anyways.
But there's safety. This will be harder than I thought.
You just fell.
Sorry.
Move back up.
Turn back up.
And we're not just in a regular chair. We're in like a slide thing.
Yeah, we're at our grandma's house.
You don't understand.
So here's our pencil. We got from last
No, it was for my homework.
Here's your Skylander.
Stop.
This is a Skylander.
That's my pencil.
And
That's
this
my
is,
pencils for school.
and this is eraser Skylanders.
No, it isn't.
This
It's
is.
for my homework, guys. For my homework.
Comment down below. Is that a Skylander eraser or a regular eraser?
Baby. Wait. I know what to do.
Give me the
This
box.
is spring. Yeah, let's throw it on the floor.
He got it.
Meant to be hot. To break.
No, wait. It broke. Wait, be careful. Let's show the video. Wait, Ava. Let's show them. We broke it open.
Wait, guys. Give me.
The safety scissors.
Do you see it? It's like, hold right here. I'm touching its face right now. No. Wait, no, don't open it like that.
Oh yeah.
No, you don't do that. So we're gonna do a close-up. But not right now. Okay. Wait, give me the box. Now we're gonna do a close-up. Mikey, get out of the video. I'm gonna get out of the video too. Get out of the video! Sit down. That's her horns.
That's why they call them Head Rush.
And she has,
Okay, here's the card. I'm not showing you the code. The code is awesome, so we're not showing it to you.
she has 5 braids in her hair. Just gonna give you a close up.
Look at her braids.
And if you know what trap she is
Is a stone.
no.
It's called stone.
She's a stone.
Element. So
We're gonna end this video. So
no wait, we have to do the
we
card.
both say bye.
So guys, there's one more thing we have to do. we have to. Here's the speed limit. No, Ava, give me.
Ava.
Ava,
Now we're gonna end this video. Bye, guys.
No,